Hi everyone, in this video we will understand a problem that says a pack of playing cards was found to contain only 51 cards. If the first 13 cards which are examined are all red, then the probability that the missing card is black. So we have to find the probability that the missing card is black. Now before understanding this problem I will explain you an example. Let's suppose there is a boundary and in that boundary there are 3 rooms on the left side and 3 rooms on the right side, and one of them contains a ball. Now we have to find the probability. So finding that probability is 1 by 6 because either one of the room will contain the ball, so the probability is 1 by 6. It means 0.6167 means 16%. Right, let's suppose now if I added one more thing, that the ball is for sure is on the right side of the room, so it means now your sample space will contain 3 elements, so your probability will become to find that ball is 1 by 3, so it means 0.337, so 13.7%. so you can see that the probability has increased when I added some more extra information. So similarly, there is one extra information given in that question. Okay, now coming to the question, uh, uh, a pack of 52 cards contain 26 black cards and 26 red cards, and finding a one black card is 20 by 52, so it means 1 by 2 means 50%. So it means to get a black card is 50%, right? Now if the extra information given to us, it means the probability that will come out as an answer should be more than 50%, right, or more than 0.5. so whatever the answer we will find out should be more than 0.5 or 50%. Now solving the question, right, let's say E1 is the event that missing card is black, and E2 event that missing card is not black. If not black, it means missing card is red. And let's say A is the event of this event, like this thing, the first 13 card examined all are red, right? So we have to find that this thing has already done, this has already occurred. Now we have to find PE1 by A. If 13 cards are examined, then what is the probability of finding the missing card that is black, right? So this can be written like that. This is we need to find. So probability of E1 by A is probability of E1 given probability of A given E1, and then probability. I will explain this formula also. This thing says that if missing card is black, then the probability that the examined card are red. So this thing will comes out to be like 52 cards, 26 are red and 26 are black, right? If PE1 is even that the missing card is black, right? So we have 26 black cards, so the 26 by 52, it means 0.5, right? And PE2 similarly, even that not black card, it means red card, 26 by 52, 0.5. So PE1 and PE2 comes out to be same, that is 0.5. Now PA by E1, it means the missing card is black. Now the probability of examine 13 red card, so the number of red card will be 26 and the number of black card will be 25, right? So we have to examine 13 card out of 26. 26 C by 13 upon what? 51 by 13, right? This is P, yeah, this is PA1 by B. Now PAE2. Now the missing card is red. Now you have to examine the 13 red cards. So now you are having 25 red card and 26 black card. So 25C13 by 51C13. Now your final answer will be your PE1 by A will be 1 by 2 into 26C13 by 51C13 upon 1 by 2 into 26C by 13 divided by 52C by 13 plus 1 by 2 25C13 by 52 C13, right? So this will cancel out. Now we are having 26C13 26C13 plus 25C13. So the answer will comes out to be 2 by 3. It means that initially probability was 50%, right? Now the probability will become 2 by 3, that is 6.67 sorry 0.667 means 67% almost. So the probability has increased, as I told you initially,